In this video, I'd like to talk about a site called BuySellAds. Their website is BuySellAds.com. And basically, this is a site where you can easily buy ad space on other websites. This is actually one of the largest advertising marketplaces on the web. And the type of ads that you can buy vary. You can buy display ads, RSS feed ads, sponsored tweets, images and text, text links, background takeovers, sponsored content and posts, email newsletter ads, and custom ads. And basically, you can have several different types of ads on several sites using just one platform. And you can also choose only the best sites in your market to advertise on. A great feature they have is that you can split test ads.